How to fix RuneScape Dragonwilds crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in launch options, you want to add the following command, which is -dx11, and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files and wait for it to finish checking the files. And once it's done, you want to also install the redistributables. So you can open up a new browser tab and then simply search for redist. Click on the first link, and then you should scroll down to this table here. Now you will need to download the 86 version and the 64 version, both of these, and install them. And before you automatically restart, you should choose manual restart, because you will also need to check for GPU updates. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install NVIDIA app and then simply go to the drivers tab from here and select Game Ready driver, check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. And then you can proceed to restart your system by clicking on power and restart. And once it's restarted, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can proceed to open up the game. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.